everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sana and you are watching Sana. So in this video, I am going to show you how I created this eye look with double line. Basically it's a Foxy eye makeup, but I have created with a double line. Can you see how it comes out very well? I am happy with the result. I have created this beautiful double line eye look for the first time. So with some sparkly effect. So yeah, let's begin the video. Let's start with the skincare with Chicnutrix Outshine Serum. This serum is in my testing period now. Soon I'll upload review about this. Next is Moisturizer. By default, here I am using Re Equals Hyaluronic and Ceramide Moisturizer. Best base for flawless makeup. Next is primer. It's from a Dazzler brand, using for the first time. It's in a silicone texture, so good for oily skin. Next I'm gonna hide my hyperpigmentation with this Mist Clear Full Cover Makeup. Shade is orange. It is a cream product. So first going to use this concealer brush to apply the product. This is not that much pigmented how I thought, but it is alright, we can build it up, and it's a cream product, so placing loose powder on it to stick product in the same place. Otherwise when you apply a next product or drag something with the brush, then it will remove. And next product is also a new one, Lakme 925 foundation, shade C330 Cool Mocha. Actually when I apply for the first time, this one is 2-3 shade lighter to me. So I just applied on my center of the face to see how it looks after blending. And now blending with the damp beauty blender. Now I'm realizing the shade is not 2-3 shade lighter to me. It's actually 1 shade lighter. But it's too warm tone. Can you see the differences? It's too warm. I usually use Cool Cocoa shade from the same Lakme 925 foundation. That gives a cool tone, but this one is a warm tone, and after few minutes it looked like this. I think this foundation is oxidizing. And also you can see I setted this foundation with banana loose powder which has yellow tint. So can you see this foundation is oxidizing well. If you want bright look rather than a subtle look, so you can go with the shade which gives a warmer tone. I don't have any complaint about this shade because if you work perfectly we can manage the foundation shades. Now moving on to eye makeup, to highlight my lids using Maybelline Eraser Concealer, shade is Caramel. After that I set it with a loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me, shade is Deep 30. First taking this black shade from Beauty Glazed palette using this tapered brush and making half wing up to middle of the lash line and slightly blending as well. Now using PAC 026 brush, taking this burgundy shade and blending the upper side of the wing. Little by little building up the same shade and blending smoothly. Don't take it to your inner corner, just stop it in the middle of the lash line. Next using the angled brush from Proart PE28. Now draw a line with a black shade on crease line and at the end make a tiny wing. Make it as much intense you want. Now I am taking this dark brown shade from the same palette and just blending above the upper line and repeat the step until it gets like this. I am now cleaning the lid with the skin shade color and now making sharp inner corner with black shade with the same angular brush to get foxy look. And now on lid applying the sparkle liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty to give some glam look. The shade is Rose Gold. In lower line, same burgundy shade blending with the small brush. Now going to use this new Double Trouble mascara. First step is for length, so let's apply. But I don't see any length at all with first step. Now move to the step 2. When you apply, it gives volume but too clumsy. I remove the excess product from the wand to avoid clumsiness, but still it looks clumsy only. But yeah, finally it looks great. After 2-3 uses, mascara does its job, so I will review the mascara after the couple of uses. In waterline, I am applying white kajal to enhance eyes. Now for lips, Mars Superstar lipstick, shade name is Sinful. It is actually a beautiful brown shade. It's when you apply it feels creamy, but after a few minutes it turns into matte. Now for blush, using Makeup Revolution's palette. And now highlighter, using the pink highlighter from the same Makeup Revolution palette. And I'm applying the highlighter in inner corners, that too pink highlighter to enhance more. Always small things and efforts gives a better looks. So yeah guys, this is my overall look. Have you seen this full video how I created this eye makeup? Hope you have seen. So yeah, hope you like it and you can create this eye makeup on any occasions, weddings, party, any school farewell, college farewell, that depends on you. So yeah, let's meet you on next video. Bye bye. See you. Take care. And product details I'll given in my descriptions. Please check it out there. Bye.